We cannot wait to dig in. So for this carrot cake, I have shredded 1 carrot, mixed it with some coconut flakes. For my wet mixture, I have 3 eggs, some vanilla extract, the required sugar, about 2 cups. We're using monk fruit sweetener, golden. It's awesome. And then for my dry mix, I have nut flour, superfine blanched almond flour. We have Argo baking powder, which is great. It doesn't have any aluminum. Used also some ground nutmeg, organic ground cloves, ground cardamom, ground cinnamon. Plenty of cinnamon. I love a carrot cake with a lot of cinnamon. It tastes great. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna now mix your wet and dry ingredients, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the carrots with the coconut flakes, and then I'm gonna put it in a round glass baking bowl, and then put it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. We have successfully mixed our dry and wet ingredients and have transferred it over to the bowl. Remember, you can also add nuts if you wanted. I did add walnuts and pecans to this one. And of course, don't forget your oil, about ½ cup. So now we're just gonna transfer this over to the oven and let it cook for about 20 minutes on the low rack, and then transfer it over to the middle rack for the last 5 minutes. So our cake is finished. Lasted about 25 minutes. We have, make sure to check it with a knife, or you can also use a toothpick right in the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is done. We cannot wait to dig in. In our next video, I might teach you how to do a frosting for it. So keep a lookout for that.